Welcome the our channel. Today we how to download Principal Life Insurance Account Portal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Principal Life Insurance Account Portal, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Principal Life Insurance Account Portal and press enter. Look for the official Principal website in the search results and click on it. Once the website loads, navigate to the top menu and select the login option. You will be redirected to the login page. If you don't have an account yet, click on Register to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your account by entering your personal information. After registration, return to the login page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Once logged in, locate the option for downloading the app. Click on the download link for either the iOS or Android version, depending on your device. For iOS, you will be directed to the Apple App Store. For Android, you will be sent to the Google Play Store. Press the Install button to begin the download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app from your device's home screen. Log in using the same credentials you set up earlier. Explore the app to access your insurance account information and manage your policies. That's it. You have successfully downloaded the Principal Life Insurance Account Portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.